Am I wearing that today?
Maybe later in the day.
Okay.
I'm just gonna set up a time lapse and me and you have to leave.
Yeah.
That lumber package doesn't look that big. Yeah. I guess it is. Because that whole thing's studs. Yeah. Never mind. Gotta get collapsing sawhorses. This is bogus.
If you want, put the pick and shit in the van so that you ain't got to worry about it sticking out of the stage. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I have to shovel the road after?
Yeah, he's gonna have to get out on the road right before you guys leave. Drop the stage, run it back and forth.
Where do you want your cable?
Put it on the deck for now.
Set it on the ground.
Cody's pouch.
Cody, we gotta charge him rent. Oop. Paul, you ever gonna take these balusters?
I know. Every fucking day I open this van, I see the fucking thing stacked. We don't have any green sheets left.
There we go. Put it like that.
12-inch rise. Yeah, that works.
Don't forget all scaffolding and planks and cross braces and shit.
Gotcha.
Put all that in here.
You really need anything else right now?
I don't think so. I think we got one more tarp in that garage too.
Okay.
Just double check.
Alright.
I think it's brown and blue or some shit.
You want me us like clean the garage too, right? Like get all the lumber out of it?
Yes. If the scrap, if that pile of scrap shit, leave that there.
I'm
Okay.
coming for it.
But
Alright.
any like full length lumber, stack all that shit up.
Okay.
What the fuck is so funny, Spencer?
Just, I'm coming for it.
On the road again. Copyright. God, feels like his parking brake's on.
We could use the machine if they aren't. because we have to pick up that pile of lumber by the fence and move it over to
Yeah.
where the horses used to be.
That and the plywood too.
That would, yeah, everything. And then we wouldn't have to move anything.
Well, I mean, we could also use a machine. We could pick up their van and move it out of the way too. If we need to.
Set it on top of the dumpster.
So
It's gotta be half a ton.
I have to remember that there's actual gears to this machine. That way I can go over 2 miles an hour. Remember the last time I drove it?
Yeah, I told
Yeah.
you.
I didn't know that there were gears to it.
I told you.
Yeah. It's all right. We all learn. All right, I got everything loaded up. Stage with our bucket on there. Just waiting for the plumbers to move, and we'll roll out of here. Next, the new house, that big house, is a couple blocks down. So there we go. I think so. Is there any mailboxes right there? Yeah, there's one. Flip this thing in a NASCAR mode. I'll have him follow me behind with his hazards on. Going the wrong damn way. Let's roll, boy. Dude, we still flunk so much mud.
We got everything snapped except the wall across the stairs here and the side there. Everything else is snapped and shooting all the edges. We got to pad up the shower. Now get lumber up here.
Where are we gonna start? Two guys on each side? Yeah.
Put that side wall. I'm gonna send Spencer to go get nails, and he's got to go to Terpstra's and pick up the generator.
Well, damn. Nope. What was it? by 60. Hey, they're both 71.5 by 60.
Little down of it. Yeah, it's like an eighth low of it, but consistent, I guess. Like a quarter low of it. Fuck it, we'll just snap one on the bottom.
love use it. After 3 houses doing Tyvek, I am loving zip system right now. One 40-foot wall done. T-E-R-P. T-E-R-P. T. T. Don't worry, when Eric first told me about Terpstras, I spelled it wrong like 5 times. It's in Griffith, so nice 30-minute drive.